figured I'd just do a quick video to show you the Inventor Studio environment. So this is just a case I pulled off GrabCAD, added a bunch of constraints because it was just a step file. So Environments tab, Inventor Studio. My computer is not the speediest. This isn't my work machine. Then we'll start the animation timeline. And this shows you your options. So this is 30 seconds. I'm going to make this 10 seconds. There's your velocity profile. 20% of the time will be used in ramping up to speed, 60% constant, 20% slowing down. This button down here shows you the constraints overrides. So first I will find this handle because nothing's named very well, and I'm going to animate this angle constraint. So from 0 to 1 second, I want to make that 0 degrees. So it's going to go from 90 to 0 over a second. And then you can play that back and forth. So now that that's down, I want to open these clips. And let's find him. Wow, that's hard to see. So first I need to open this middle clip, which is down inside the subassembly. And I'm going to take that to 45, specifying a start time of 1, ending at 2. It looks like that needs to be a negative 45. Okay, and then once that clip is up, I don't know how this works. I didn't actually really look at this. I just threw a bunch of constraints on. I think the whole thing pivots up. So this is going to start at maybe 1.5 seconds and go to 3. And I want to take this to 45. And I went the wrong way. So let's edit him and say negative 45. And at the same time, I want to do the same to this one. So I'm going to find it in the browser. And that angle is going to be running at the same time. So 1.5 to 3 seconds. And it's going to go to 45. And of course, it's the wrong way. All right, then we want to open the lid. So I have an angle constraint on the lid. And I'm going to open it 90 degrees, starting at, we'll say 3.5 seconds. We'll give a little bit of a pause. And end at 4.5. All right, then we'll go to the beginning and hit play. And this can be recorded out as an AVI. So I think this is going to do better for you than the presentation environment. Hopefully this helps you.